Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very different type of video for you guys. A company called Firmoo reached out to me. I know some of you who watch my contact lens reviews know that I wear majority of the time contact lenses, but what you don't know is when I get home after a long day, I do take them out, let my eyes rest, and I have to wear eyeglasses prescription because I still can't see when I take out my contact lenses. So if you are interested or know someone, if you're not interested, know somebody who's been looking for an affordable lens to wear, eyeglass wear, then definitely stay tuned for this video. Alright, so Firmoo reached out to me, and if you don't know who they were or are, because I didn't know who they were, they are an online eyeglass wear company, and they are affordable. If you don't know or haven't shopped for glasses before, you will know, or someone has told you, that they are very expensive. A basic pair could cost you between $60 to $100, and that's just no brand or a non-brand type of eyewear. But Firmoo, their glasses start off very affordable, even $20 affordable. But I'm going to tell you how you can get it even cheaper than that or get a special deal. Basically, they have prescription, non-prescription, male, female, kids, sunglasses, and they broke their website down by, you know, if you're looking for cat eye, you're looking for square, you're looking for oval, so you don't have to search all those glasses. You can look at the menu on the side and kind of pick out what you're going for. Now, the good feature about Firmoo is, I know some of you might be a little leery of shopping online for eyeglasses. You want to feel them, you want to touch them, you want to see what they look like. Well, Firmoo has a feature where you can upload your picture, and then you can see what the glasses will look like on you if you do that. Now, I didn't upload my picture. I just used the models that they had and went from there. But they do have that feature. And if you don't like it, you can always return them, okay? They want you to be very happy. Customer service is like 5 out of 5 stars. I had no issues. They were very friendly, very attentive to your needs. These are the glasses that I got that you see that I'm wearing here. It took me a while to pick out the ones that I wanted, but I ended up getting these, and I absolutely love them. These are prescription, and even though they're affordable, you guys, they are not like some type of cheap rinky-dinky type of frame either. Like this is a really nice frame. I mean, it could pass for one of my other frames that I have that cost me $100 and something, almost $300. So very sturdy, firm, depending on what you want. If you want a thinner one, of course those are more fragile, but it's not a rinky-dinky type of frame. Alright, so what you get when you order is you do get this case, and inside the case you receive a cloth so that you can wipe off your lenses in case they get dirty. And also they had extra screws that came with it, just in case some of your screws come out. I haven't had it happen with any of my lenses that I've had recently, but occasionally they do come out. Also, they added a screwdriver just in case they do come out, or if your screws get loose, you can tighten them. So that they added that to my order, and they also added one that I can put on my keychain. And also you get a soft case as well. So shipping came, it was less than 2 weeks. It did not take long from the time that I ordered, from the time they had my shipment ready until it arrived at my house. So less than 2 weeks tops. They do have a 90-day warranty, and you have 30 days if you are not satisfied with your purchase. You can return them. Also, just for you, if you are interested in purchasing your eyewear, you can get a buy one get one free that they have going on, and also they have, for you, if you're a first time customer, you can get your first pair, I believe, for $4.95. I'm going to put all that information down below, so check that out if you are interested in purchasing your eyeglasses. So that is it. I think I covered everything. If you have any additional questions, hit me up in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.